Okay. How was it that you survived every week and you kind of took it very calmly?
I don't know. I just felt like God was beside me. He was always with me, and I was just calm. I was like, keep going, be strong. Everything is going to be okay.
Awesome stuff. Now, Mercy, you've been here before, but you've been very scared of not getting here. What's going through your mind right now?
Because I was here 4 years ago, and now I'm back here, so it's not even easy to compete with these newbies.
Are you ready to crown your winner? Hold on. The winner of Big Brother Naija All-Stars is a lady Ilebaye! Many thanks to everyone this season. Of course, massive shout out to all our incredible sponsors and partners: Money Point Nigeria, Power and Dreams, HFM Online Trading and its finest, as well as Guinness, Smirnoff Vodka, Smirnoff Ice, Pepsi, Super Commando, Aquafina, Lipton Iced Tea, Techno Mobile, Amatem Soft Gel, Oraimo, Arla, Tizetti, Oriflame Cosmetics Nigeria, Close Up Toothpaste, Knorr Seasoning, Minimi, Lush Hair, Munchies, Power Oil, Titus Sardine from Ekulo International, Hawaii Soap from Advanced Industries, World Detergent, Travel Better, Skechers, Innocent Motors, as well as Nexus Appliances. My name is Ebuka Obi-Uchendu. Happy Independence, Nigeria. Have a good night, Africa. It's time to turn up!